ISO 22301:2019 consultant can save your business from disasters? What is ISO 22301:2019? ISO 22301:2019 is a globally recognized standard that provides a framework for businesses to prepare for, respond to, and recover from disruptive events. A solid business continuity plan is essential, whether it's a natural disaster, cyber attack, or any other unexpected interruption. Why hire an ISO 22301:2019 consultant? Expertise and knowledge. An ISO 22301:2019 consultant brings in-depth knowledge of risk assessment, recovery strategies, and business continuity management. Customized solutions. They tailor the BCMS to your business's needs, ensuring it addresses potential risks and vulnerabilities. Ensuring compliance. A consultant ensures that your business remains compliant with the ISO 22301:2019 standard, which enhances your credibility with stakeholders and customers. Building resilience. Implementing this standard will make your business more resilient, enabling you to maintain operations even during disruptive events. Key benefits of ISO 22301:2019 certification. Risk management. Identify and mitigate potential risks that could disrupt business operations. Minimize downtime. Ensure rapid recovery to minimize the impact of disasters and reduce downtime. Employee confidence. A continuity plan reassures employees and partners that the business is prepared for emergencies. Customer trust. ISO 22301:2019 certification demonstrates your commitment to business continuity and building trust with customers and clients. Initial assessment. A consultant will evaluate your current business processes, identify risks, and understand your business's needs. Risk assessment and business impact analysis. The consultant will help conduct a thorough risk assessment and business impact analysis to pinpoint areas of vulnerability. Business continuity plan. Develop a robust plan to respond to disruptions and ensure business continuity. Testing and review. Regular testing of the BCMS plan and a continual review to keep it up to date. A dedicated ISO 22301:2019 consultant is an invaluable asset for businesses that want to prepare for the unexpected. With their expertise, your company will survive a disaster and thrive in the face of adversity. Don't wait for a disaster to strike. Ensure your business continuity today by consulting with an ISO 22301:2019 expert.